My name is Sandra Harimoto. Raaga is my fourth time mentoring, but she's the first time I was able to mentor in person. We're both from the Boston area in Massachusetts. We met every Sunday morning, and she had a crazy schedule on that day. After we met, she'd go off to dance lessons and classes and music lessons and classes. And I just don't know how she managed to do both that and magic, but she did. What else? I just want to say it was really fun working with her. She is just awesome.
Hi, I'm Raaga P, and I'm in grade 6 at Paul P. Gates Elementary School. My mentor Sandra is a software engineer and test at Oracle, and she volunteers with Get Magic and other orgs because she thinks it's important to encourage more girls to consider computer science. She has 2 daughters and a cat. Her other interests are fitness, she works out every day, reading mysteries, crochet, drawing, and sketching, 2D puzzles, Pokemon Go, and she's amazing at Sudoku. This is a slide about my magical experience. My project is a calendar app that helps attorneys. This app helps attorneys manage their schedule, and the first version will be available in Android. We used Android Studio as our tool, and we started slowly with Scratch. Sandra's advice helped me in programming. I learned no matter what, your program will always have problems. I also learned Java and XML. The reason why I chose this as my app is because I want to be a lawyer and I want to add technology to law. The experience was very fun and motivating to become a programmer. This is my demo, and the first page is like a sign-in page. You put in your email and your password, which is optional, and you click sign in or register. And it takes you to a calendar in which you click on a day, and then it shows you all the cases on that day. And then you click open case, which takes you to new client, existing client, and new case. And then when you go to new client, you have to type in your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and notes. And then you click new case, and you go to your name, and then versus whoever you're versing, and then notes, and then you click done. My Android experience, I had to set up the IDE or Android Studio, and it took a very long time, and I also had to connect my phone to the IDE. I had to learn how to put things on a screen, getting buttons to switch screens, and get text out of the text boxes. I had to save data on a SQLite database, and now I know how hard it is to program a game. Without Sandra, I could have not done this. Thank you.